All right, guys, check this out. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you could potentially make some pretty good money with these weird collectibles. And bear with me, watch the whole video. It's all going to make sense if you just give me a minute or two to explain what's doing and how you can make money. So, or just have fun, right? So anyway, I'm showing you an app that you can download, and the link to download it is below this video. Just click on it. You'll be able to download it to your iPad or your phone or whatever. Once you have the app installed, you'll have access to these weird collectible things. And they're weird, but the cool thing is they make bank. People are going mental over this stuff. So just to explain, at the top you see a banner that says next drop, drop number 64, 8 days, 19 hours, 13 minutes. That's when the gate opens and you'll be able to buy the next thing that drops. So let me go down to the previous drop, and that will kind of give you an idea of what's going on. So I click on it, and then I'm going to click on go to drop, and you'll see what's doing here. So this is well, let me close this because it sold out instantly. And this is like a Pokemon card pack, but it has to do with Mariah Carey stuff. It's weird AF. But the thing is, these things are bank. People are collecting the hell out of these and selling them on the secondary market, obviously, because you can't get them in the primary market anymore. They originally sold for, I think, $20 a pack, and I'll show you what's doing. So in the pack, there are some real cards and some fake cards. Some are worth real money. So obviously, we open the pack. This is just an example, right? So Mariah Carey's driver's license. Obviously, that's a goof. Here's a card, a $10 Starbucks card. That's real. So if you get that in your pack, you got 10 bucks in Starbucks. Here's a theater ticket, I think, for a Mariah Carey show. What do I know? American Express black card. It's Mariah Carey's black card. Obviously, that's a goof. What is this? Some kind of a snow ticket pass. That's obviously goof. $100 Macy's card. That's obviously real. That you can get, right? Or you could have gotten if you would have gotten one of these packs in the drop. So they have them as individual packs, but they also had them as box sets. Now let me show you, because you can't buy these anymore directly at the drop. So now you can get them on the secondary market through stocks. So I'm going to click on this, buy on stocks, just so we can see what's doing. And look at what they're selling for now in the secondary market. $60 a pack. And, you know, I've seen them for $75. The market fluctuates, but the idea is you could have gotten these for $20 a pack originally, right? So let me go back. Well, let me go back because I want to also look at the boxes. The box set. Let's see. Here, boxes. I don't know what those sold for originally. I don't know. Maybe $100? I don't know. But let's take a look at what they're selling for on the secondary market. $440. There are only 11 left. 400 lowest asking price is $440. So yeah, you can make money potentially with these things because people collect these like mental patients. Let's take a look at this one, drop 60. I'm just going to click on it. We'll see what it is. It's Michael Jordan signed basketball. Comes with a certificate of authenticity and a signing video, 23 bucks. So I imagine, obviously it's sold out. So I imagine this was another one of those things where you buy and maybe 10 of them are real and the rest are bogus. I don't know. I didn't see that drop. Here's another example. This was pretty cool. Andy Warhol's. So there were 1,000. They sold 1,000 of these Andy Warhol uh, art pieces. One of them was real, and one of them was worth $20,000. The other 999 were reproductions. So it would have been interesting because I don't know what they sold this for originally, but that would have been real interesting. Let me show you the one that I did because this one bears some explanation. Everyone gets a car. Who wants a Lamborghini? Let's go to the drop because I bought 3 of these just for the hell of it. So $35. Everyone wins. But what kind of Lamborghini you get, that's what the catch is. So you can get this toy car, extra small. You can get a remote control car. You can get a kiddie size car that they could ride in. Or you could get the actual Lamborghini. And I think they're giving away 5 real Lamborghinis. And so you can get in on this. But here's the thing. And the reason I bought a few of these is because I think that even this little, like, Hot Wheels size car is going to be worth more in the secondary market when they sell out. Now, I don't know. It's just speculation on my part, but who cares? It's just a goofy thing to me. I bought 3 of them. Who cares? And then here's maybe I'll get a remote control car. Who knows? Or maybe I'll get the kiddie car. You could win that, right? It's a gamble. I don't think I'm going to win the real Lamborghini. I doubt that. But let me show you this because I want you guys to understand. The rules and odds. You don't need to buy any of these cars to enter. So I'm going to click on this where it says buy. And when it goes checkout, click on rules and odds because I want you guys to see this. So this is Mr. Beast official. Everyone gets a car. And then here's the alternate mode of entry. To participate without purchase, send a 3x5 card to this address, blah, blah, blah. 1 entry per person, per mailing address, per email address throughout the duration of the giveaway, right? Here are the odds of winning. So check this out. They are giving away 5 Lamborghinis. One pre-owned Aventador coupe, retail value $300,000. 4 pre-owned Galadros, value $100,000 a piece. So you've got 5 chances of winning out of, I don't know, however many people that enter, right? Second place prizes. 250 second place, which is the ride-on car, the kiddie car, worth $279 each. They're giving away 250 of those. So you got a lot better chance of winning one of those. Third place prizes, they're giving away 2,500 of the remote control cars. So you've got a good chance of winning one of those. And then the little mini car, I think everybody gets that, right? So anyway, just so you understand what's going on here, these are pretty cool little things to get into, man. Again, the link to this is below the video. Just click on it and get access to the app right away, download it. And then in 8 days and 19 hours, the next drop is going to happen. So jump on it, especially if it's one of these pack type drops. These things just go mental. So jump on it and we'll compare notes after the drop actually happens. And I'm going to get a bunch of whatever it is, and I'm just going to keep it original sealed. I'm not going to open any of mine, and I'm just going to sit on them for a while, and then I'll put them on the secondary market. But the reason I think this stuff sells really well and people collect the hell out of it is because it's really being hyped by a lot of influencers on TikTok right now. So anyway, I think there's potential here to both have fun and make some dough with some secondary market collectibles. Anyway, okay, what do I know? What do I know? Anyway, all right, guys. Adios. Maximum respect. Cheers.